Handyman of Melbourne offers turnkey franchise opportunities that are completely set up, ready for skilled tradespeople to run their own business. For over 7 years, we have been servicing customers with the highest quality of workmanship, building our reputation while developing the perfect business model. Becoming part of the team at Handyman of Melbourne is an opportunity to enjoy having the freedom that comes with owning your own business without all the hassles of setting it up. We're welcomed into homes all over Melbourne, renovating bathrooms, improving home offices, restoring outdoor decks, modernising kitchens, even transforming entire homes. Handyman of Melbourne has franchise opportunities right across Melbourne, and we're looking for tradespeople who take pride in their work. If you think you've got what it takes, we'll sit down and take you through our 10-step process to franchise ownership and take you through what to expect on a daily basis. As your success is our success, we strive to provide the very best support for each franchisee. Our franchise operations manual provides solutions to any questions you may have, making sure you're confident and ready to run your own business. So are you looking for a change? The opportunity to operate your own business with a dedicated support team is here. So get in touch and join the team at Handyman of Melbourne today.